What's in Super Amazing Creamer? Learn about the benefits. Super Amazing Creamer is actually the world's first creamer with the unique combination of hyaluronic acid, collagen, and MCT oil. It comes in a powdered form so you can add it to smoothies, coffee, tea, baked goods, and more. Now let's break down the amazing benefits. First, we have hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found in the body, and its main function is to retain water to keep your tissues well lubricated and hydrated. However, the natural aging process tends to decrease the amounts found in your skin, so taking hyaluronic acid can prevent this decline. Studies show it will alleviate dry skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and make your skin look more firm and smooth. In other words, it helps you look noticeably younger. Next, we have collagen. Collagen is also a naturally occurring substance found in the body. It is a major component of strengthening your skin. However, like hyaluronic acid, as you age, your body produces less collagen. That's why it's best to take collagen regularly to improve the elasticity of the skin and remove or prevent the appearance of wrinkles and dryness. Collagen also supports nail and hair growth, relieves joint pain, strengthens bones, and boosts lean muscle mass. It's really the ultimate ingredient to give you both anti-aging and beauty-boosting benefits. There are 5 grams of bovine collagen per scoop in this delicious creamer. Alright, the last ingredient to go over is MCT oil. MCT oil supports weight loss by increasing the feeling of fullness, promoting fat loss, and improving your gut health. It's also been shown that MCT oil can help manage diabetes by reducing fat storage and increasing fat burning. Amazing, right? You have all of these amazing anti-aging, beauty-boosting, fat-burning ingredients in every scoop of Super Amazing Creamer. It's a very powerful and unique combination of ingredients that is so easy to add to your daily routine. All you have to do is take a scoop, add it to your Super Amazing coffee, and mix it up with a frother. It's so good. Check out the link posted below to get some from the Superfoods Company today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informational content and real customer reviews.